Hi parents! We'll show you how to easily check your family's attendance records using the Parent Portal. It's simple. Start by heading to the navigation menu and select Attendance. The Attendance page will show you an attendance list where each student's name, course, date, time, and attendance status are displayed. The attendance status will indicate whether your child was present, absent, or if attendance has yet to be recorded. If you need to find the attendance for a specific family member, simply use the search bar. Type in their name, and the results will automatically filter to show their records to make things easier. You can also select a specific date range to filter attendance records within that period. This feature is especially helpful if you want to track attendance over a specific time frame. If you have multiple students or want to view past attendance, use the navigation tools at the bottom of the page to scroll through the records. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.